All right, welcome back, guys. I'm going to try to clean this engine compartment here. We're going to try the Armor All tire foam. We're going to see how it does. We're going to spray it on, rinse it off, no scrubbing. We'll see how it works. All right, stick with me. All right, let's get a close-up view. You can see dirt on here. I'll put a little. You can see the dirt. This can of tire foam cost me $6.99. I did this engine compartment and I also did 14 tires, and that finished off the can. So there's plenty in there. You probably do each vehicle 3 or 4 times. Okay guys, we'll let it set. It's literally been 7 minutes. And you can see, it looks pretty good, starting to work, so we'll hose it off, see what happens. Okay, we're back, Meow. So we're gonna check it out, see how it did. Okay, I think it came out pretty good, really. For just spraying it on, rinsing it off with a hose, it came out good. Look, all right, I washed my hands so you can see. Nice and clean, real clean, nice and clean. The only thing it didn't get off is the real thick caked on grease. Got a lot of it off, but like I said, all we did was rinse it with a hose. Didn't even use a pressure washer. And around here, it didn't get that perfect. But as far as everything else, a quick job when you're washing your car. Takes 7 minutes. Spray it on, rinse it off with a hose. I think you did a pretty good job. And I didn't use hardly any at all in the can. There's still quite a bit left. Alright, thanks for watching.